show you people how good this shit works. I'm gonna tip it a little bit. I'll get all that shit out of there. Look at that. Brand new. International tanks all cleaned up. Ready to get a new bottom plate welded on. Looks a hell of a lot better than it did. Build's moving right along. She is, fresh out of the shop. Woo-wee! Found a local guy who bump steps 1/8" mild steel. Guy did a great job. Even capped it for us, which was nice. Probably gonna hit it with a flap disc today and spark up the old Miller. Run a couple more passes. Good day to do it. Typical cold ass New England day. Anyway, I gotta do that because we have a red coat coming on Friday, and red coat is a tank liner. Once it's in there, it's in there. You know, you ain't gonna be welding, it'll start peeling off the sides. So we'll have the inside all buttoned up by Friday. You know, hopefully get some paint squirted on there on the outside, and it should be all good to go. Smoked it real quick with the flap disc. Gonna run a couple more welds, clean it up, weld the bung in there, and we'll be all set. Much better. Alright, one more side. She's all buttoned up.